What you just heard is George Harrison's solo to the Beatles' I'll Follow the Sun. And by the time we're finished in this guitar lesson today, you're going to be playing that too. Now, George uses a lot of slides in that solo, but what exactly is a guitar slide and how exactly do you do it? A slide is moving from one fret to another. So picking the first note and then keeping your finger pressed down as you slide up to your target note. Now you can use other fingers once you've mastered the move, but for this entire lesson, we're going to just use the first finger. So you only have to focus on the sound and the motion, not the finger choices. And if you're looking at the guitar tab, you'll see it written out like this on the screen. See, you see the starting fret, which is a 3, and then a / and then your target fret, which is 5, sorry. So that / symbol is just the musical shorthand for a slide. So, like so. Slides can be short or they can be long. So even 1 fret slides are possible, but I think these are more of a decorative slide, just to embellish a solo. Or you can have really long slides. For example, George has really long slides in this solo. And what George does here is he follows the melody. And that's actually really helpful for us, and we'll get into why shortly. Oh, and just so you know, you can also slide down the neck too. So from, let's say, the 5th fret, pick the note and slide down. So you can go up, you can go down, but we don't have any down slides in this particular solo. But the kind of press, hold, and slide down is exactly the same. Now, slides are great, but they can, of course, go wrong. Now, one common mistake is missing the target. Now, if that's happening, slow it down and visualize where you want to land. So don't just look at your starting note, also see where you're going. Now, another issue is the sound cutting out. And this usually means you're maybe changing the pressure during the slide. And what you really need is consistent pressure from start to finish. Now, too light and there's no sound. Too heavy, too heavy and it can feel like you're sliding over a knife. So here is a quick drill, right? So fret your target note, okay? So I'm fretting the 5th fret of the B string. Right, so listen to the note, hum it a little bit, if you can come in tune, unlike me. Okay, there we go, hum it. Okay, you want to kind of internalize that sound. Then move back a few frets, it doesn't matter how many. Close your eyes and try to slide into it. Ah, there we are. Like that. So try to hear when you hit the bullseye. And if you can control those two things, your target and pressure, you can slide clearly in almost any song. Let me just break in here for a second. If you're looking for more personalized tuition, I do one-on-one classes on a guitar learning platform called Till. The links are down below in the description. I hope to see you there. I'll Follow the Sun is a very, very, very early McCartney song. I think it was written right at the end of the 50s. And you can hear a very early version of this song from a May 1960 home recording. Check it out on YouTube. I think this was also George Martin's favourite track from the Beatles For Sale album. I think that's Beatles 65 or something new if it's in the US. But what about the solo? The solo only has 8 notes and it follows the melody of the verse. And that's really helpful because the melody tells your ear where each slide should land. And if you know the verse, you'll hear right away when a slide is off. So let's look at the kind of the 4 steps really. So the first step is, the first part of the slide is like this. We're on the 3rd fret of the B string, and what we're sliding up to is the 8th fret. So we've got a nice long slide. So, as I said, with constant pressure, we're going to go like so. Just like this. Now, as I said before, when you're doing this, don't just focus on this here, kind of see where you're ending up and hit that slide. And also I mentioned that if you hum the target note, that will help you land on the right place. But even better, if you know the song, it really helps, because here's the second, right? Here's the second slide. We're starting on the 4th fret now and sliding up to the 10th fret here. So it goes. And if I put that together, you will kind of hear the melody of the verse. So, one day you'll look. So like that. And that's the great thing about this solo, it just follows the melody. Now let's look at the 3rd part. And the 3rd part is basically the same as the first, but we're shifting over to the high E string, the thinnest string, starting at the 3rd fret and going up to the 8th. That's our target note. So we're going, oops, like that. Okay, and then we have the last step, which is actually quite a short slide. So we're shifting back down 1 fret to the 7th fret of the high E string, same string, and we're going from here, the 7th fret, to the 10th, which is where the 2nd step finished. So we're going, and that's the last part. So if we put it all together, we get something like this. And you hear how that really sounds so much like the melody. For tomorrow may rain, and so on. Okay, so now I'm going to strum the chords, and you are gonna play the solo yourself. So why not pause the video here, give yourself a bit of practice, and then start again. Now I'm going to use my, what's the word here, metronome thing, and we're going to play at a slower speed. We're going to play at 60 beats per minute. This is much slower than how you heard it at the very start of the video, when I played at 100 beats per minute. But before we start that, let me tell you about the chords. What we have is 1 bar of G, 1 bar of F7, 1 bar of C, 1 bar of D. So we just got 4 bars. It's a very short solo. And 4 bars, G, F7, C and D. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go round this 3 times. Let's do it 3 times at 60 beats per minute, as I said, so that you don't feel rushed and you can focus on your accuracy. 2, 3, 4. How was that for you? Let me know down below in the comments. If you want to work on more basic solo lead guitar techniques, then click the link right here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Happy sliding.